Okay students, in today's video we are going to discuss about what is BODMAS rule or BODMAS rule, what you can say that, right? Okay, and also very simple example we'll discuss about that. Okay, so look at here. So what is BODMAS rule, right? So what is the basic definition? Why BODMAS rule is required? So normally you have to say this BODMAS rule represents for solving the order of calculations, right? So this BODMAS rule is used for expressing the order of calculation or representation of what? Order of calculation, right? Okay, so it represents that the order of calculation, in which order you have to simplify, in which order you have to value, right? Okay, so look at here. So that is the meaning of what? BODMAS rule or BODMAS rule. Okay, so what is the full form of this BODMAS rule? Okay, I'm writing over here B. B stands for what? Brackets. Okay, B stands for what? Brackets. So brackets, inside these things, what is the meaning of that brackets? The first of all, there is parenthesis. It is called as parenthesis. It is called as curly braces, and it is called as square bracket, right? So in the questions, first of all, you have to simplify this one. Then after you have to simplify this one, and at last you have to simplify this one. Okay, this is called as parenthesis. This is called as curly braces. This is called as square bracket, right? Okay. Then BODMAS rule, bracket, B stands for bracket. Okay. Then O stands for off. Off means what? Multiplication. Off means what? Multiplication, right? Okay. Then D means what? Division, right? Okay. Then M means what? Multiplication. Okay. Similarly, A means what? Addition. Okay. Similarly, S means what? Subtraction, right? So all the full form that you have to remember, right? Okay, so what is BODMAS rule? What are the full form? So B stands for brackets, O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Okay, so that means according to the order of calculation you have to solve it. Okay, the very simple example I'm telling you what. Look at the simple example I'm telling you that. Okay, very simple example. Let's suppose I'm writing 114 divided 9 into 8, right? Okay, so 114 divided 19. Okay, so 114 divided 19 into 8. Okay, how can you solve this? Look at here. So you have to apply what? BODMAS rule you have to apply, right? So what rule? That is BODMAS, BODMAS rule or BODMAS rule that you have to apply, right? So look at here, 114 divided 19. So first of all, you have to do this one, division, right? So 114 divided 19. Okay, so what is that? You know it better. That is 6 into 8. So what you're getting answer? That is 48. So 48 is your answer, right? Okay, so if a person is doing multiplication, obviously getting the wrong answer, because you have to follow the BODMAS rule, right? You have to follow the BODMAS rule. So according to the BODMAS rule, you have to do in this way, right? Okay, students, can you solve this math question? Look at the question. This is the simplification question. Okay, so in this case, you have to apply BODMAS rule. You have to apply BODMAS rule, right? Okay, how can you solve this kind of questions? Look at here. I am just simplifying. Very simple. This will be minus 18 plus 90 divided here 89 minus within bracket. Look at over here. BODMAS rule, bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. The bracket, inside the bracket part, first of all you have to simplify, right? Okay. So look at the bracket inside these things. Okay, the multiplication you have to do it first. Look at this multiplication, look at this multiplications, right? So it will be 72 plus 33 minus again multiplication 21, right? Okay, then after minus 18 plus 19 divided 89 minus, again you have to apply addition, this to this you have to add, right? So what you're getting? 105, right? Minus 21, right? Again minus 18 plus 90 divided within bracket this one 89 minus this to this you have to subtract, that is subtraction, right? So it will be 84, right? Okay, again minus 18 plus 90 divided this to this you have to subtract, within the bracket you have to subtract minus, it will be what? That is 5, right? Okay, so that means here look at minus 18 plus 90 divided this one. Okay, so 90 divided 5, that is what? Plus 18, right? So this cancellation, so final answer you are getting what, that is 0. So 0 is your final answer, right? So 0 is your final answer. Okay, in this way you have to solve the simplification question, right? Okay.